Hey guys, so I'm post-op day 8. I think today I'm feeling a little bit nervous because I know that I am getting my stitches removed tomorrow and my cast taken off. At first I think once you've had the operation it's like the moment you've been waiting for, but as the recovery process goes along, I think the moment that you actually do wait for is to see the result and when the cast is off. For me that's obviously tomorrow. I want to just see my new nose, I want the stitches out, because the stitches are starting to get slightly irritating now. It feels like they're sort of like pulling, and I don't know, they just don't feel right anymore. They're fine, they're not, there's nothing really much wrong with them, but I think they're just really ready to come out. And also my itching actually underneath the cast and on the sides and on the nose, it's getting so much more worse. I think the tape is obviously irritating my skin now. It's been about 8 days since it's been on, so it's ready to come off, and I just want to give it a good clean and wash it down with some water. I did have a second attempt at washing my hair today, a lot better, obviously because the nose is more feeling a lot better now and healing a lot better, so it was more easier to put my head back and shower it from the top. Still not got my face wet as of yet, but I would like to ask certain questions to Dr. De Silva tomorrow, as to when I can wet my face, probably straight after, to be honest. I also would like to ask him why my nose is watering slightly. It's not like bloody water or anything at all, it's just plain water. It seems to be more of this nostril, but I don't know whether it's just because it's been cold or I don't know, so I'll see about that tomorrow. Not much else really. I think I felt a little bit just emotional today as to me actually realising that I have had this done and I've finally done it. And I think to other people, no one really understands apart from yourself as to how much it means to you and how much of a big change it is on your life. And I think once you have the operation done, your family are a lot more supportive, because my family weren't supportive before, but obviously no one understands apart from yourself. I'd really like to see like my side profile, and I really want to go out and just drive and not worry about, you know, if I'm waiting in the traffic, as to people looking at me, or if I'm walking down the street or crossing the road. I always used to get really nervous and panicky that people would be looking at my nose. I just want to feel that, you know, just that bit of confidence, not to just look the best or feel the best, but just have a bit more confidence in myself. I feel a bit more secure really. I'm just waiting for that feeling. Not much else, guys, really. That's about it. Nothing more to update on. Just feeling better as the day goes on, and I'm seeing a change every day in my nose. And tomorrow I will do a video once I get back from London after I've had the cast off and the stitches taken out. I am a little bit nervous because I've heard that the stitches that need to be taken out are it's a bit painful, but I'll see how it goes. And removing the cast feels like you've lost a bit off your face, so I'd like to see what that feels like. But yeah, I'll just show you again from the side like I do in every video, just if you can notice any change. I can every day. Still feels a little bit numb, tip of the nose, and I actually like was able to feel a little bit when I was putting my finger at the top, so that's not too bad. And yeah, I'll update you all tomorrow. Bye!